In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can get more donations in Please Donates in Roblox. So this is going to be a really good guide, and I promise you are going to gain so much if you follow this guide the whole way through. Now, before I get into it, I want to say please make sure you watch it the whole way through, pay close attention, and also please like, subscribe, and comment down below you're watching this video so I know that you are paying attention. So let's get right into this. So the first thing you want to do is we need to optimize our booth. So I'm going to show you my booth over here, and at the moment I have no donations because my booth is very bad. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to have lots of different donation amounts. That's the first thing we want to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a load of different ones, and the way we do that is on with the game passes. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to create a few game passes. I'm going to delete these ones. Actually, I'm going to change them up. So I'm going to say, this one I'm going to say, we want to put some cool little names in here. So say like Spicy Hat, let's put that. And one common mistake people make very often is they do donations for one Roblox. It's stupid. You won't get anything for that. So just make sure you do them at least 2 or above. So I'm going to do 2. I'm going to say happy day. Just put some random things in there. I'm going to create it. I'm going to go back onto it, change it to 3. And okay, so we've got 3, 2, 5, 10. I'm gonna make a 7 one. For pet. Thank you. So this is what we're going to do. First, we need to create all of these different passes, but we need to make them very different prices each. And then what I'd recommend doing is just making like tons of different prices, I say, and then doing some for like loads of money. So go up from little and I go all the way to big. So go 10, then I can go to like 50, for example. All the way up to like 1,000, because a lot of time people will donate like a lot of money. People will come in and just donate tons of money. Go to pass. Huge dono. I'm gonna put this one at 100. This is a good way to start. So this one's 100. Cool. Hit save changes, and we've got a good starting amount here. This is good to start with. So I'm going to go back in here and I can refresh my booth here like this, and you should see all the different ones actually do come up here. So yeah, so we have a lot of different prices that people can look at like this. Let's see if someone's going to donate now. Maybe not. So that's the first thing you do. The second thing you want to do is we want to be able to get a cool stand and make it stand out. You can see my one, I've got this really cool one here, and I'm going to teach you how to do that. So what you want to do here is go over to this little box over here, go to redeem, and I'm going to show you a few different codes you should do. So the first one you should do is this one, Project Supreme 50, hit redeem, and for that you're going to get 50 Robux, 50 gift bucks, sorry. Then you want to do I Love Eagles I-10, this one, you're going to get, oh, I just got this one, so I got 10 gift bucks. Now the next thing you want to do is this one, Laser Beam, and with this one you're going to actually get this booth here. You can see the one that I've got, you're going to get that. You want to try this one here. I've already redeemed that one. Basically copy all of these codes that I'm putting in here, and you're going to get tons of different amounts of Robux, amount of gift bucks. So that'll be like 100. There we go, some more here. And some more here. So that's pretty useful. They're case sensitive, they can only be redeemed once. Now I would recommend going online, just looking for a few of these. If you type in like Robux donate booth codes, because then you'll get some unique booths that other people don't have, and that'll make your thing stand out a little bit more. So let me see if I've got another one here. Okay, well I can't. Those are all the ones I can find for right now, but I'll post some more maybe another time. Anyway, the next thing you want to do is you want to edit your stand, and you know, once, as I said, you can change it to this one here that we've just added. Next thing you want to do is you want to change like the thing up here. So change the goal and just test out a few different goals. So say stuff like saving for my brother's birthday if you're doing that, or it's like saving for a pet, and then put like the goal equals 100, something for example like that. That's a really good way to make it better, is have a good title up there like that. Now the next thing you can do is you can make friends with people and get connections with them and talk to them, and then they might donate to you, which is a really good way to do it. Now once you've got initial donations, because if you have 0, people are usually going to give you a little bit of a donation. So once you've got a few Robux, what you can do is you can actually donate to other people. I'd recommend donating to people who have a smaller amount, because they're more likely to donate back to you. So look, this one here, Anna, I could donate to her here. I'll just donate here just to show you. So I can buy this here, but I'm not going to do that. But yeah, donate to other people, because that will actually help you a lot. Now another thing I actually recommend is to dance around your booth, because if you dance, and a lot of people are going to see your booth more, so that's a pretty good strategy to do it. Is there any other strategies I can think of? Oh yeah, if you're in like a lobby like I am, and like no one's donated, you see no one's donated in a while, what you want to do is you want to just go and leave, and then we want to just join again, and you'll get into a new lobby, and there's might be other people in these lobbies that will actually donate to you, because in some lobbies there just won't be people there. And you can see here, I'm joining in. I think this is quite a quiet lobby, to be honest. Yeah, you can see at the top right, there's not much raised right here, so, and there's not much donated as well, so you might want to leave and then join another one. Okay, this looks like a really good one. You can see how much people have earned and donated here. Perfect. So here's a great place to put my stand. I'm going to put that here. And we're right next to this guy who's made loads. So a lot of people will be looking at his thing, and then they might come up to your one and also donate, which would be a really cool strategy. But basically that is my best practice for doing this. And if you have any more things that you think work really well, make sure to comment them down below, and I will talk to you about them, and other people will also get help from them. But that's basically what I would do. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.